Hey, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7th. Today I'm going to show you guys something. I just tried out this new light. I'm going to use it in my garage, and I think it's really going to work well. I'm going to hook up a couple of them, maybe 3 of them. These lumen lights are so bright, and I'm going to show it to you, and we're going to install it, and we're going to see the difference in this garage. So what I tried, I just tested it out in my basement. My basement is really dark, and I put this in one of the light sockets, and wow, it just lit up that basement. And when I was threading the light in there, I was looking at it, right? And when it came on, it just blinded me. I couldn't believe how bright it was. But anyways, this is the box it comes in. It kind of looks like a fan. And I'll pull it out and I'll show it to you. So here's the LED light. And you just fold these down like this. And then you twist it in like a normal incandescent light bulb, or LED, but light bulb. Just twist it into the socket and then just spin it up there, and this really lights it up. I'm going to show you right now. So what I did was I shut off most of these lights except for a couple here over my workbench. Just because when this comes on, I don't want to get blinded again. So we're going to turn this on. So we're going to spin this in here, just like this. It only takes a second, right? Just like a normal light bulb. Okay, good. So there you go. You can see how it just sits there nice. Now we'll turn the light on and see what a difference it makes. All right now you see I just have that ceiling fan up there with the 3 LED light bulbs. We'll turn on this light. It really lights up the whole garage, and I'm going to shut everything else on and just turn that light on. You'll see the difference. I'll shut everything off. We'll be in the dark. Basically, now we'll just turn that light on. Look at that. It's just the same amount of light as I had before, basically. Now we'll come over here. Look at the corner of my garage. It's just lit right up. So my idea is just get 2 or 3 more, maybe 4 more. That should be plenty of light for this garage. Look how bright that is. It's blinding. So there we go. I just wanted to share this light with you. I'm really impressed with how much it lights up. And this is a good sized shop. So if I get 3 or 4 more and put them up, it's really going to light up this garage. And as when I make videos and that, it's really going to be a plus for that. So where did I get this? I got this light for $25. I'm in Canada, so $25 at Costco. But I'm going to put some links down below in the description of this video where you can find lights just like this. If you like this sort of information, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next video.